Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can form an LLC in West Virginia. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing company which is going to help you with the step-by-step process how you can actually easily create an LLC. So click here on LLC and here first you just want to name your LLC with the name that you created. So I'm going to add here Stone's Company. Check availability. In what state would you like to form a Stone's Company? I'm just going to write West Virginia. Click search here. And then, okay, it's available. You just add here your email address and click Get My LLC. Now, when do you want to launch? It's already running, soon or one day in the future. I'm going to click soon here. Okay, continue. Is Stone's Company your first LLC? You can click easily yes or no. What will Stone's Company do? And you just add here like your segment. What are you actually want to do? So let's go with I'm going to write e-commerce. Continue. And will Stone's Company have employees in the first year? And you just add here yes or no. I'm just going to press no here. Essential services for Stone's Company. You need to require a registered agent by law, and also you require specific paperwork and legal documentation. So see essential services. And right here, so LegalZoom is going to offer you their own registered agent service, and I recommend going through that because you don't need to find your own, but you can also right here appoint a different registered agent if you have, or you can continue with LegalZoom. So now save time and money on your essential documents. So there are 3 options here. You can go with the operating agreement, which is going to cost you $100. Then you can go operating agreement plus earn. It's required without you can file taxes or open bank account, or you can go with the operating agreement and licenses, and this is like everything is covered for you. So you can go with the middle or the last one. I recommend going with the complete coverage so you got everything well and you just can build a business. Then first see business services right here. And now this is something that LegalZoom offers you for like $40 a month. You can have 30-minute like consultation with the independent attorneys about tax questions, legal issues. You can take the included trial or you don't need to. Click no thanks here. Total compliance. This is something that LegalZoom can help you set up to stay compliant, taking care of annual report fillings and formalities. And then this is really great. Like if they're gonna make a mistake, they are going to pay the fine or penalty, not you. So that's great. This is something you can think about. And then you get the package here. So the first option is to go with the economy package, which is $79, or standard version, which is $329, or Express Gold. Express Gold is best in that it's gonna take you 10 business days to form an LLC, not 30 days like in economy version. And also you're gonna have 7 days a week lifetime customer support. So that's really great, and that's why the price is higher here, but not that high comparing to standard version. So you can click on Express Gold. You can also, they have offered to open a Bank of America account. And then you're gonna see it's going to cost $600, but you can still pay only for economy, update the order. And then you're gonna see here $400, which is going to be like really good price, I think, for creating company. And then continue to checkout and voila, you got it. And this is the goal here. So this is how you can simply form an LLC. You just fill everything here, single payment or installment plan, and agree and pay now. I'm seeing plenty of people who are starting their own business. They are all taking care of accountancy, legal stuff, business administration, and they are not focusing on actually building a business. So what do you want to do? And I help with that with consultations. I can help you with how you can actually form better processes in your company, how you can time management and be more productive, because the goal is to always like plan your day in advance. So what do you want to do tomorrow? What plan you have? What kind of things you want to execute? And then in the evening, you need to reflect. How was my day today? In what way I was much more effective comparing to yesterday? And then you're gonna see your results. And based on those results, you can analyze them like, okay, I was on Netflix in the morning. So what I need to do, I need to put my phone away. That's simple. So this is pretty much it how you do it. Thank you very much. It's much more deeper, of course, because you want to create the processes and create like asymmetric value, not be orthodox but unorthodox in business. But it's like for completely new video about how to actually do that in entrepreneurship. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See